Hello everybody, and how's it going? In this video we are going to be talking about how you can add a security header in funnels or websites and go high level. So without a further ado, let's just dive in. But before we get started, you can get a 30-day free trial on Go High Level with our link in the description of this video, so make sure to check that out. So once you are here on GoHighLevel, now if you are wondering how to add a security header in funnels or websites, then you can see security headers in funnel websites. Web pages are prone to vulnerabilities and can be subjected to various attacks, which can be blocked using headers sent to browser when the page is loaded, and thus safeguarding malicious activities by third parties. The solution is a new security tab is added in funnel website detail page, where customers can add custom security headers of their choice to make their funnel or website more secure against attacks and vulnerabilities. Now, the key features and benefits are security tab in funnels websites, where users can add custom response headers for their funnels. Headers play a vital role in the website security. Previously, there were no option where users can configure these like they could do in other platforms. With this update, users can configure the security headers themselves without any limitations. How to use? Now, the steps are pretty simple. So first of all, open any funnel or website, navigate to Security tab, click on Add Security Header. On the model, enter the header and value, and then finally click on Save. So we have some screenshots as well. Let me show you in here. So you can see in security, you can see we have security headers, and if you want to add a custom header, you can see we have header, value, and then click on Create. Once you do, you can see we have the security report summary, and yeah, so that's it for this video, and I really hope you found this one valuable. If you did so, make sure to check out the link in the description below to try Go High Level trial 30-day completely for free. And yeah, see you in the next videos. Until then, take care. Goodbye.